Let's have a look at how to create an animated sticker from a video on Instagram. Instagram just rolled this feature out and you can now make animated GIFs like this one here from videos directly on Instagram. Pretty awesome. Let me show you how it's done. On Instagram, the first thing you want to do is to tap on the plus button at the bottom. Then at the bottom, tap on Story. Next, tap on the camera roll icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Now select the basic footage that you would like to use for your story. Make sure to select the part that you would like to use for your story right here, and after that tap on Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the sticker icon on top. And then tap on Cutouts. You might need to search for it here in this list. Once you found it, tap on it. And now select the clip from which you would like to cut out an animated GIF. Make your selection here at the bottom. You can use up to 6 seconds for your animated sticker. Once you've done that, tap on Next. And then tap on Create Sticker. Your sticker has now been created and it has also been saved to your library, so later on you can use it all over again. I'm just going to reposition my sticker here a little bit and make it bigger. Something like that. Pretty cool, right? And this is how you make animated stickers from videos directly in Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials.